Life has been really good here.
The staff of our university is very good.
This university has the highest USMLE passing rate.
The teachers and the administration staff here is really helpful towards the student from the international faculty. Hello, myself Garvish Sharma. I am from Sirsa, Haryana, and I study in second course in Poltava State Medical University. I came here last year, and my first year here was more than marvelous. The teachers and the administration staff here is really helpful towards the student from the international faculty. We can say that there is no language barrier between the teachers and students. English language of the teachers are better as compared to other places. We are here provided with things like Indian food, Indian mess and other things. The food here is also very nice. The Indian spices available here are almost at the same level as compared to the Indians.
There's nothing much to worry about here. There are people here who are going to help you out, guys, like at every step whenever you feel stuck. The teachers here are going to teach you the ways how to study. Apart from this, you're going to have like the first 3 years are your foundation course. Other than this, you'll have the later you'll have the clinical years. And we also have got a Croc 1 exam here before you start your clinical years. Other than this, like, you guys literally don't have to worry about anything. Life, you just need to maintain a balance between your basic lifestyle and your university life.
It was really great. I came here and to introduce us to the city, there we had our seniors who spoke our language, so we didn't feel like we didn't know anyone or anything else. They showed us around, they showed us the shops and everything else. So that was a smooth transition from India to here. And relating to the studies, we were very fortunate to have offline classes because the COVID situation was very much in control here. So that was lucky for us. Because in India still there were online classes going on this year, but we were able to see the cadavers and actually practice, since MBBS is all about practice, you know. And about the teachers, they are very helpful. They give you all the materials in PDF forms and in book forms, and also tell you about the exams that you have to give. And also this university has the highest USMLE passing rate, which is very important exam and which many people can give. And many students here are also working for it, so we have a lot of seniors also who can ask about it, and everybody is very helpful. All the agents here are also very helpful, and this place is also very nice. It's a small city, and but if you want anything, it's available all the time. Even food items and stuff is available 24 hours a day.
The staff of our university is very good. Is very good in the speaking English and is very convenient to the students. And it is a very good hostel also. There we will provide the mess and all the arrangements on the Poltava State Medical Universities are also very good rather than all the other universities of the Ukraine.
Today was a wonderful day, and today we interacted with the new teachers. Our group mates have changed. We will also be taught in the hospitals from the second year onwards, and that will be a great experience.
We had our maximum classes online, and it is an amazing experience. Life has been really good here. I've learned a number of things from people here. I would like to thank my seniors because they have been very helpful. And the weather is very nice here, and you will adjust very soon. So it's not a thing that you don't need to think twice before coming.
It has e-library also where you can find every textbook. There is no problem related to books. If somebody is saying that they have problem of language, even that's not the problem here. Teachers which are teaching us here have a good command in English language, and everything is good here. If we talk about practical classes, before every class there is a lecture. After that you have a practical class. The strength of the class is even also low, like 10 students or 11 students in each and every class, and everything is good.
This is very good, and no one face any language issues because teacher can easily understand English language, and here the weather is very nice.
Meet our director and WhatsApp, Dr. J.S. Kalong. for Best Government Medical University in abroad and co-founder of MedGenius Multi-Speciality Hospital. Get experienced teams of doctors throughout your journey and guidance for MCI, NEXT, PG residency program in Germany after your MBBS and USMLE exam. Guidance only by a qualified doctors team. Dear future doctors, you're going to get everything under one roof throughout your full journey. Don't forget to subscribe to get latest update for study MBBS abroad and bell icon for notifications. Thank you and have a nice day.